Before you buy a luxury watch, stop. Most buyers make the same mistake. They fall in love with the look and ignore everything else. A watch can cost thousands and still be wrong for you. Wrong fit, wrong movement, wrong long-term cost. Luxury watches punish rushed decisions. They reward understanding. Luxury watches are not about telling time. Your phone already does that better. They are about craftsmanship, identity, and discipline. But without knowledge, they become expensive regrets. If you are entering the luxury watch world, it feels overwhelming. Brands everywhere, technical words, confusing prices. Most people buy based on hype. They copy influencers. They chase logos. That is why so many watches end up sitting in drawers. This video breaks the noise. 8 things you must understand before buying a luxury watch. No marketing, no brand bias, only practical knowledge. If you understand these 8 points, you will save money. You will avoid mistakes. You will enjoy your watch every time you wear it. Let us begin. Mechanical versus quartz. Before you choose a brand, you must choose how the watch works. This decision matters more than most people realize. There are 2 core types of watches, mechanical and quartz. A mechanical watch runs on stored energy. You wind it by hand or by wearing it. That energy moves gears, springs, and a balance wheel. Nothing electronic, no battery. Mechanical watches feel alive. You see the seconds hand sweep smoothly. You feel the weight of engineering on your wrist. They are less accurate. They require servicing every few years. They stop if you do not wear or wind them. Quartz watches run on a battery. A small electrical signal vibrates a quartz crystal thousands of times per second. That vibration keeps time with extreme accuracy. Quartz watches are practical. They are cheaper to maintain. They keep better time. They work even if you leave them untouched for months. Many beginners think mechanical automatically means better. That is wrong. Mechanical is about emotion and craftsmanship. Quartz is about precision and convenience. If you want a watch you never worry about, choose quartz. If you want a watch you connect with, choose mechanical. Neither choice is wrong. The mistake is buying without knowing the difference. A luxury watch that fits poorly will never feel right. This matters more than the logo on the dial. Most people only look at case size. That is a mistake. You must consider 3 measurements: case diameter, thickness, lug-to-lug length. Lug-to-lug is the most important. It decides how the watch sits on your wrist. 2 watches can have the same diameter and wear completely differently. Thickness affects comfort. A thick case feels heavy and top-heavy. A thinner case feels balanced and refined. Your wrist size matters. A watch should sit flat. The lugs should not overhang. Do not chase trends. Bigger is not better. Try watches on whenever possible, even if you do not buy that day. A well-fitting watch feels natural. A bad fit feels wrong every time you wear it. Always choose fit first. Water resistance numbers confuse most buyers. They do not mean what you think. 30 meters does not mean swimming. It means splash resistance only. 50 meters handles light water contact, washing hands, rain, nothing aggressive. 100 meters is safe for swimming. 200 meters or more handles serious water use. These ratings are tested in static conditions. Real life creates pressure and movement. Water resistance also degrades over time. Gaskets dry out. Seals age. A watch that was safe years ago may not be safe today. Chronographs are risky in water. Pushers can let water in. Never assume protection lasts forever. Test water resistance if you use your watch near water. Respect water ratings. Water damage is expensive. The crystal protects the dial. It also affects clarity and durability. There are 3 common types. Acrylic crystals scratch easily. They look warm and vintage. Scratches can be polished out. Mineral crystals are harder. They resist scratches better than acrylic. They're affordable and practical. Sapphire crystals are the most durable. They resist scratches extremely well. They cost more. Sapphire often includes anti-reflective coating. This improves legibility. The dial appears clearer. No crystal is perfect. Acrylic scratches but repairs easily. Sapphire resists scratches but can shatter on hard impact. Choose based on how you live, not on status. Daily wear demands durability. One watch does not mean one look. Straps change everything. A metal bracelet feels sporty and solid. Leather feels refined and classic. Fabric feels casual and relaxed. Most watches allow strap changes. You only need to know the lug width. A simple spring bar tool is enough. With practice, you can change straps in minutes. This adds versatility. It saves money. It keeps your watch feeling new. Some watches use integrated bracelets. Those limit options. Before buying, check strap flexibility. Straps are not accessories. They are part of the watch experience. A smart strap choice multiplies value. The place you buy from affects everything. Price, warranty, peace of mind. Counterfeit sellers exist everywhere. Avoid them completely. A fake watch holds no value. Gray market sellers offer discounts. They are not authorized by brands. Factory warranty is usually missing. Support can be weak. Pre-owned sellers can be a smart option. Prices are better. Value loss is lower. Only buy from trusted sellers with history. Authorized dealers cost more. You get factory warranty. You get brand support. You get assurance. Saving money up front can cost more later. Buy from a source you trust. Luxury ownership starts at the point of purchase. Luxury watches are not impulse purchases. They reward patience and understanding. If you rush, you overpay. If you learn, you buy once and enjoy longer. Every watch tells time. Only the right watch fits your life. Understand how it works. Understand how it fits. Understand how you will live with it. Ignore hype. Ignore pressure. Buy with clarity. Buy with intention. When you respect the process, the watch becomes more than an object. It becomes part of your routine. And I will see you all very soon.